Say hello to longer and healthier hair and goodbye to natural hair breakage. I am going to show you guys my wash day routine that has helped me gain so much length. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ronsah, also known as Sasa. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more hair growth tips. After I wet my hair in sections, I start off my wash days by conditioning my hair. I use Aussie Moist conditioner, and I do this to bring moisture back into my hair. I love this conditioner. The reason is because it removes tangles out of my hair so easily. It makes my hair feel very soft and moisturized as well. I smooth the conditioner in, rake with my fingers, and do a little finger detangling. Then I go in with my Tangle Teaser brush to make sure that my hair is fully detangled. Gentle detangling is also very important when it comes to hair growth. Make sure you take care of your ends and don't just rip the brush throughout your hair. You want to keep those ends, okay? So brush gently and work your way up towards the root. Once I finish detangling a section, I put them up back into twists. I put my hair in twists to keep them in sections and to stop them from tangling again with each other. Water is really important during your wash day process because you really need to drench your hair in order for your products to be absorbed. So right now I am just drenching my hair with water before I apply the conditioner, then detangle, and then put them back into twists. My wash day routine has been a huge success. My natural hair feels so soft and healthy, and I've even noticed a lot of growth. Here's a photo of my hair in 2019, and this is the photo of my hair in 2024 currently. So my hair has made a huge difference. Stay tuned to see how you can achieve these amazing results too. Now it's time to shampoo. I am using Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo. It's my favorite. I have been using it for years. So right now I apply the shampoo to my scalp and gently massage it between the sections. You can also use a scalp massager to really get in there. I'm using a scalp massager that Aussie has gifted me, so I really appreciate that. I'm just rubbing it throughout all the parting in my hair. Scalp massages can help stimulate blood flow to your scalp and promote hair growth as well. Scalp massager can remove dirt, product buildup, and oil much more effectively than using your fingers. I am now smoothing the shampoo into each section. Shampooing in sections really works wonders for me, and I have multiple reasons why. It helps reduces tangling. I like to keep my curls very easy to manage. I like working in smaller sections to make sure that every part of my scalp and hair gets properly cleaned, and it really helps me remove any product buildup. And this also prevents breakage because I take more time when doing my hair, and it allows me to be more gentle to maintain my strands. Ooh, my curls are so pretty. Overall, shampooing in sections can make the wash day process smoother and more effective, helping to maintain the health and beauty of your natural curls. And then I head into the shower to rinse my hair. Now let's get to it. Now enjoy this relaxing clip of me rinsing out the shampoo. If you really want to grow your natural hair longer and healthier, you have to be more gentle and patient when handling your natural hair. It's less about the products that you use and more focused on how you have built your routine and what type of techniques do you use to manage your hair. I do a second shampoo rinse because I usually wash my hair every 2 to 3 weeks. So if I haven't washed my hair in a while, I would do 2 shampoo rinses. And I use a gentle shampoo, so it is not harsh on my strands at all. It is very moisturizing, and it does give me defined and healthier looking curls. The most important part of wash day is deep conditioning. So I'm deep conditioning with Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Mask, and it is also one of my favorite products. And all you have to do is apply a generous amount to sections. I usually do my hair in 6 or 8 sections depending how I'm feeling. Twist them up. Deep conditioning helps with moisture, strengthening the strands, shine, and softness. I've twisted all my hair up, put it in a shower cap, and rinse after 30 minutes. It has been 30 minutes. Now I am unraveling the sections and rinsing my hair. After I rinse my hair, I go in with my Tangle Teaser brush and brush my hair again thoroughly and put them back into braids. My hair feels so soft and moisturized after using the deep conditioner, so I'm happy about that. But usually I put my hair into 6 braids after washing. Yay, I'm finally done with my braids. So the next day I will apply a leave-in conditioner and blow dry my hair. I don't do that all in one day. But now I'm going to dry my hair with a microfiber towel because it doesn't really snag on my hair. And I let my hair dry. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with a friend who's also trying to grow out their hair. Bye guys!